Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Members app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings, then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on notification categories here. You come to next here. So then you come here to click on here reminders. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's main coupon reminders disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you. I get it. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watch.